Hello everyone, welcome to ApparelWin channel. I'm Lily and now we are here, the negative first floor of Zhongda Fabric Market, where is the paradise of clothing accessories. Today I want to show you many clothing accessories, which include buttons, zipper, drawstring, and patch. And you also can find the hot drilling, ribbon, lace, eyelet, shoulder pad, too many types of accessories here. Oh my god, it's a paradise. First, let's go to find some buttons. Go! Button is one of the greatest inventions of clothing fashion. The small things have many types. You must be seen it someday, but it's possible that you don't know what is the name of it. You see there are a lot of flat button. This one is flat button, and the shank button. You see. Let me show you more shank button. See, this is the shank button. Now let's move to zippers. You can get zippers with different size and colors, and you can find a lot of different type of zippers with different teeth, puller, slider, and zipper tape, which made by various materials. Let me show you some puller first. Besides, you also can get your customized zippers. You can decide the materials and the colors of the teeth, the puller, and also the fabric of the tape. Number 5, size number 5, and this red one is size number 3, and here you got the size number 15, and the pink one is size number 12. Okay, now let's go to the next street. Next, let's talk about the drawstring. Drawstring for hoodie or pants. This thing is simple. You can get different colors or materials. Also, you can find various heads of them. Just let me show you some. And you can also customize them. You can embroider your logo on the drawstring. Okay, now it's the turn for logo label and the patch. I've already did a video specially about the logo label, so I won't talk too much here. Today I just want to show you. You can find a lot of dedicated logo label in the negative floor of Zhongda Fabric Market. And for patch, you can get the rubber patch and the cloth patch. Except what I talked about, there are also a lot many other type of accessories, and there's so many, so I just want to put them all in a very short and concise clip. So I wish you enjoyed today's tour. Actually, what I show you today just a tip of iceberg here. And if you want to know more about clothing accessories, which I don't show you in this video, just tell me. And again, if you want to know more about clothing production line, follow our Instagram and submit our YouTube. See you guys. Bye.